Recently, scientists accidentally proved that Islam is the only truth and Quran is the miracle. Here is the interesting part. Recently, a scientist posted a video in TikTok, which went viral. Scientists conducted an experiment where they took a cat and dog saliva and put it under a microscope, and what they saw next was absolutely shocking. When they put the cat saliva under the microscope, they realized the K saliva didn't have much impurities and bacteria, and it was fairly clean. But when they put the dog saliva under the microscope, you can see that the dog saliva is full of microorganisms and bacteria and small bugs which were unidentified. Now here is the crazy part. 1400 years ago, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "When a dog drinks out of a vessel belonging to any of you, he must wash it 7 times, Bukhari and Muslim. In a version by Muslim, he said, "When a dog laps the water in a vessel belonging to any of you, he must wash it 7 times, using earth the first time." Hadith number Sahih Muslim 279, As-Sunan and Nasa'i 335.